Hello, we're going to see how to share WhatsApp channels. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. If you want to share a specific channel to a friend or family member, sharing channels allow you to invite people to a specific WhatsApp channel. And this will make the process of finding a specific channel much easier. So, here's how you can share WhatsApp channels easily. Go to the WhatsApp channels section and open the channels page that you want to share. Here, tap the vertical three-dot icon at the top right and select Channels Info from the menu. You will see the option to forward or share the particular WhatsApp channel with your friends and family. While the forward options allows you to directly share the channel link within WhatsApp, the share button allows you to share it with anyone and everyone using your preferred app choice. With the share button, you can also copy the channel link and share it anywhere with anyone you want. So I hope this helped and thanks for watching.